Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2017 the Hyundai Elantra. Stock number is T as in Tom 20033A. Let's take you and show you the exterior condition and the interior condition on your virtual video walk around. Don't forget, here at Sunset Ford, it's warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents. Absolutely a flawless exterior. Let's take a sneak peek at that interior also. Very comfortable, leather, loaded. Super comfortable ride, and a very economic vehicle to drive. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. For more info on this vehicle or any other vehicles in our inventory, stop by and visit us or visit us online at sunsetford.com. This is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.